Okay, good morning, guys. How many of you guys ate breakfast today? Good amount, good amount. Okay. Many people eat breakfast and a lot of people don't. And what you eat in breakfast is pretty important. And I know that some days I'm in a rush, so I might not eat breakfast. When I have time, I do. I always try to eat breakfast. Eating a healthy breakfast can really make a difference in your day. Choosing the right foods to eat to start your day can really affect how you act and your health. Today I'm going to talk to you about why skipping breakfast is bad and why eating a healthy breakfast is so important, and why people should not skip breakfast. And I'll also talk about what people can do to eat breakfast. And skipping breakfast isn't really a good idea. It's very bad. It could lead to health problems. And surprisingly, you think skipping it, you wouldn't gain weight, but actually it could lead to that, and fatigue also as well. And it affects your mood and energy levels. And not eating a proper breakfast, if you don't eat breakfast, you tend to eat a lot more during the lunchtime. And according to an article that was published on October 19, 2012 on naturalnews.com, people who skip breakfast eat more food during lunch or dinner, and that's not good, which will lead you to gain weight, and you might, like, in the future, be obese or have diabetes. And skipping breakfast can also really affect your mood and energy in negative ways. And according to an article published on July 13, 2011 by livestrong.com, if you don't eat in the morning, you have less energy in the day. So how does all this affect your day? What you eat for breakfast can really affect how your day goes and how you do on tests. And eating fatty things for breakfast, such as donuts and sugary cereals, and breakfast from fast food places can really make a person gain a lot of weight. As you can see, there are a lot like these foods. They might be really good, but they're not healthy at all. This is like the calories and everything. Um, according to an article published on January 20th, 2011 by livestrong.com, people who eat fast food for breakfast have a higher cholesterol level, and this could lead to heart attack or strokes. And eating healthy things, such as fruits, vegetables, and healthy cereals for breakfast, are really good for your health, and they can help prevent things such as obesity, diabetes, so eat a lot less calories. Um, Eating breakfast can also help you do better on tests, and you feel less tired or not tired at all when you eat breakfast. In an article published on February 21st, 2006, written by Anahad O'Connor in the New York Times, people who don't eat breakfast do worse on memory tests rather than those who do eat breakfast. And also, according to an article published on February 14th, 2011 by USA Today, eating breakfast helps people stay alert mentally. So it's really good to eat breakfast, so you can be ready for class. And so what can you do like if you want to eat breakfast but you're like in a rush or you don't have time to eat breakfast? Many people make excuses or they just don't have enough, time. There are some things that people can try to do to, eat breakfast. Like for example, you could wake up earlier. I know it sounds kind of you don't want to wake up, but if you don't have enough time, you should wake up earlier because if you eat, it gives you energy and you'll be able to get through your day in the mornings, and it's really healthy for you. Also, it's not that hard to make breakfast. I mean, shouldn't be like lazy and stuff. Just make your bowl of cereal. It's pretty easy. Eat healthy cereals like Cheerios or Special K, yeah, stuff like that. Raisin Bran. I know something like old people would eat it, but I think it's pretty good. So, oatmeal and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, so what did we learn today? In conclusion, having or not having breakfast every morning can really make a difference in your day. Skipping breakfast makes you less energetic and less ready for the day. Eating breakfast helps your energy levels and helps you perform better in your daily activities. Eating the right foods for breakfast establishes good nutrition and good health habits. And eating breakfast is pretty easy to do and doesn't take much effort and a lot of your time. Um, Like they say, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I know it sounds kind of cliche and cheesy, but it's true. And I encourage you not to skip breakfast and to choose healthier foods to eat for breakfast, because breakfast is pretty important. You know, drink your juice, glass of juice in the morning, or drink your milk, eat cereal. It's not that hard. So the main thing is don't skip breakfast at all. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you.